Aloha folks, Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike. Today we're going to finish a ride that we did almost a year and a half ago, and that's to go up to Peacock Flat, which is up a very steep hill, and we had chain problems. But I'm here with my son Michael and my grandson Aiden, and we're going to try it again. So, catch you on the way up. Aloha. Well, because I forgot to check the settings on my GoPro Max today, we shot the video in Hero or non-360 mode. That gave us a POV or point of view camera angle. It worked fine since most of the video will be on the downhill. I also have added a few drone clips from our ride a year and a half ago. Alright, I'll catch up with those boys. While we're on this half mile of flat road, I'm using no assist to save my battery. I remember too well our last trip. We found that on this trip, Mike's usage is much less than mine. Today, Michael is on his Trek mountain bike with e-assist, and he will be towing grandson Aiden up this mountain. He's using a special bungee strap made for towing. Aiden, this is your first time, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's going to be exciting. How old are you?
10.
Awesome. Well, that was the first climb, and I'm exhausted already. I did a long ride yesterday, not knowing that we were going to be riding today. So, all right, here we go.
Coconut in a coconut tree, swinging all day long in a tropical breeze, hanging with my boy, sometimes we're dancing hula. One day I was swinging in a coconut tree, along came a wind and I fell into the sea. It was the ocean, I was surfing and sweating. I knew I was drifting to the land of Mele, where ripe young coconuts usually play. Then I landed on a beach at this pink hotel, and there were women, girls in bikinis. Itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Well, I'm a little coconut, I couldn't do much, so I worked on my tan till it was time for lunch. Then along came a girl, she had the smell of Makahiki. She dusted me off, stuck me in her backpack. We took to her room in this little grass shack. Was this Hollywood? Was I in a movie?
So we made it to the top of this hill here, and we've got through the fence. And then we have a road that goes another 7 miles. And I don't think we have enough batteries. I've almost used my entire battery to get up this hill. I have a spare, but it's not fully charged. So we're going to take a look at it, go investigate a little bit. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to let the boys go have some fun up there. Should I join them in all this mud? Oh well.
I'm a little coconut and falling far. I guess I wasn't gonna be the rock and roll star.
So what happened is we took a little ride to see how far that path would go, or that road, and we came to another gate and another steep hill, and well, I think I have enough battery. I'm a little wiped here. That was a long 3.5 miles, and I think a 7% grade. I'll know when I get back home. Check what the numbers are. So this is called Peacock Flats. It's on the Waianae mountain range. We had a big rain about a week ago, and that's why everything's so muddy. Where did you see the pig?
Right up here. I'll show you.
No more coconuts in Coconut Grove. No more sugar on the sugarcane road. No more sand where the concrete grows. And there ain't no coconuts in Coconut.
There's no way I'm going to catch up with those boys.
Ain't no Frankie in Frankie's driving. No more flipping burgers for the population. Things have got to change, it's called evolution. And there ain't no Frankie in Frankie's driving. Joey and Coconut Joe. He's a young boy I met a long time ago. Playing soup under a coconut tree, singing Manuela boy in the key of C. Coconuts in Coconut Grove. No more coconuts in Coconut Grove. No more coconuts in Coconut Grove. No more coconuts in Coconut Grove. Ain't no coconuts in Coconut Grove. No more sugar on the sugarcane road. No more sand where the concrete grows. And there ain't no coconuts in Coconut Grove. No more 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 coconuts in Coconut Grove.
Well, that's the end of our ride today. It was a great ride. It was very grueling, not in length, but in steepness. It was 3.5 miles, and I used almost an entire battery to get up that hill, mostly in boost mode. But it was good. It was a good ride, and coming down was really fun. So I enjoyed it. Best part of it, my grandson got to experience it with us, so we're really happy for that. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Everybody's healthy. You guys are safe. And as always, be happy. Aloha.